Alright guys, so I'm here in Dumaguete City, and today I am going to show you my 3 top choices of places to eat, places to stay, and a place to rent out a motorbike. And so let's go ahead and take a look.
Welcome to Dumaguete, home of rental people!
Alright, so I'm here at Amazi Homestay. We're going to go check it out. This is my #1 choice of a place to stay here in Dumaguete. If you look inside here, this place, they also own a flooring, tile, roofing, and supply store. And because of that, the quality here is phenomenal. It's really well done. It's a higher standard than most Filipino buildings and hotels. So we're going to go ahead and go in and check out one of the rooms, and you guys can see what I'm talking about. Alright, so we're going to go check out one of the rooms here. This room is the family room. It's the biggest room that they have here, so let's come on in and take a look here. Okay, you can see it's quite spacious. You can see the tiling here is really well done. The decor is awesome. You got a workspace over here that you can see. Comes with the coffee and for hot water and TV on the wall. Super fast Wi-Fi here. I was getting 30 megabytes download and 30 megabytes upload, so really good. Got a nice sitting area. And over here, let's go check out, got a lot of storage for hanging your clothes, shelves, and then over here is the CR. And again, just look at the quality. You can see the quality here is just really good. And you don't find this in the Philippines usually. This stuff is usually not real well done, but because this place owns a flooring, tile company downstairs, you can tell the workmanship is really well done. Nice big shower, walk-in shower, heater. So this is the family room, and I'm going to link the information down below when we're done here. But I think we're going to go check out another room too, so let's go check that out. So this room is also a family room, rather spacious, same type of setup, but this one has a really nice view of the street. Yeah. So the other thing is, if you walk out of here and hang a left, Robinson's place is literally just a block away, so you can walk over to the mall, go get food, groceries, so it's really convenient. Okay, so you just saw the family rooms. They also have the standard room and also a superior deluxe room. You can book through agoda.com, booking.com, and also through Airbnb. So the standard room, 2 twin beds, or they can push it together and make one big bed, runs 1,000 pesos a night, about $20 US. Or the superior deluxe room, 2 twin beds, 1,200 pesos per night. And then we have the family room, which we just looked at, and that one goes for 1,800 pesos per night. And I'm going to go ahead and link all of this down below, plus their Facebook page. And you guys, when you come out to Dumaguete, this is the best place to stay. Really close to Robinson's Place Mall, so really convenient. So this is my favorite place here in Dumaguete to stay. Most convenient. It's just really well done. And the owner here is actually an architect, and so he helped design this, and you can tell the workmanship is really good. It's really quality. So okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go in and we'll check out their bikes and stuff. All right, so I'm over here with Janelle at the motorcycle rental place, and we're going to go through the prices here. So how much is for one day?
1 day rental sir is 400.
So 400 pesos if you just rent for 1 day. What about 1 week?
1 week rental is 300 per day.
300 pesos per day if you rent out 1 week. And what about 2 weeks?
That's 250 per day. That's 3,500.
Okay, 3,500 pesos for 2 weeks, which is 250 per day.
Yeah, per day.
And what about if they do a whole month?
That's 200 per day.
200 per day, so that works out to be
6,000.
6,000 for 1 whole month of a bike rental. What kind of bikes do you have?
Also, we have automatic
Fully automatic,
and also semi-automatic with gear.
semi-automatic with gear.
XRM 125.
So you got XRM 125, you got
Neo 125.
Neo 125,
I have also Wave 100.
Wave 100. I think you got Honda Beat.
Yeah, we have also on the beat like I have also Click.
Honda Beat, Honda Click, so they got a wide variety of bikes out here. What's the name of the motorbike?
The name of the chapter is Visual Bike.
What is it?
Visual.
Visual?
Yeah, Visual.
There you go. So I'm going to link the information down below. You guys can check it out, and I'll link directions too. So I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Thanks
Yeah. All right, so I'm here at Cafe Racer. This is actually my favorite restaurant in Dumaguete. So let's go ahead and go in and check it out. All right, so I'm inside a Cafe Racer. You can see it's a pretty cool background. You got like an old van back there, and I just ordered some food. The cool thing about this is there's a lot of Western style food along with Filipino food, and the prices though aren't Filipino prices. You can get a big breaded pork chop, mixed vegetables, and mashed potatoes for about 200 pesos, which is $4 US. But I've never had a bad meal here. The food quality is always awesome. And so today I ordered some French toast, so I'll show you what that looks like when it comes. And it comes with coffee. I think it's maybe 160 pesos. But this place, #1 choice in Dumaguete. Again, these are my personal choices. You may have a place that you like better. But for me, this is my #1 choice. Thank you. Can I get one more cream and one more sugar? Thank you. And the waitresses are very cute here too. Okay, so food is coming, it looks like. And what I was going to say is you can see these guys in the background, the girls and the guys in the white and the black. They're actually on the job training college students. So they have to put in 248 hours of free work time here at a restaurant, part of their hotel and restaurant management college degree on the job training. But it is non-paid. They don't get paid for that. 248 hours of no pay. Awesome. Thank you. Yeah, here we go. My French toast. I'm going to go ahead and dig in. And again, come out to Cafe Racer if you're here in Dumaguete. Hands down, best restaurant in Dumaguete, in my opinion. Also with the best prices too for the quality food that you get. See you guys. All right, guys. So there was a lot of noise inside, so I came outside. I just wanted to show you the menu real quick. This thing is massive. It's really thick. It's got a lot of stuff here at this restaurant. But some of the chef specials, you can see grilled salmon, 260p. Comes with mango sauce, mashed potatoes, mixed vegetables, bacon wrapped pork tenderloin, 225 pesos. So we're talking around $4 US. In the States, this would be 15 to 20 US dollars. Pan-seared pork with mashed potatoes and mixed vegetables, 205 pesos. Honey garlic chicken steak, mixed vegetables, rice or mashed potatoes, 195 pesos, about $4 US too. But I mean, the menu is huge. You can see it's just, I mean, loaded with food. And there's always the chef special, which is the ones that I recommend. I usually go and check these out. But just a huge menu, just full of tons of good food. You can't go wrong here. If you're looking for this place, it's right next to the new condos here in Dumaguete. And but I will link the site down below. You guys can check it out. So I give it a 2 thumbs up here. So thanks, guys. See you next time. Okay, guys. So those were my 3 choices of places. Number 1, place to stay in Dumaguete, a Mozzie homestay. Like I said, links are in the description. Also, my favorite place to eat at, Cafe Racer. Again, link in the description. And lastly, the place where to rent out a motorbike, best place, V12. And again, that's linked down in the description. See you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell notification to stay up to date with the latest content, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.